Over many years, we have observed various disasters all over the world. And one of the disasters we have commonly observed is volcanic eruptions. So hey there, welcome to Srijay Animations. In today's video, we would be talking about top 3 most dangerous volcanoes all over the world. Starting with the third one, Mount Kilauea. It is a volcano present in the Hawaiian Islands, and Kilauea is one of the most active volcanoes in the whole world and has been erupting continuously. Though it is not erupting explosively for many years, the last explosive eruption of this volcano took place in 1924. Now, the second one on our list is Mount Vesuvius, which is known for its massive destruction it caused in the city of Pompeii in 79 AD. In 1748, explorers of Italy made a huge discovery of the city Pompeii, which was still preserved under the layers of dirt. The remains of the people and ruins of buildings were still present. Before we move to our number 1 volcano on our list, we shall see some more volcanoes which are equally eligible to be in this list. And now we come to the number 1 volcano, which is Mount Tambora. This volcano is present in Indonesia. Tambora is still an active volcano, and the reason behind this volcano to be first on our list is because of the eruption, an explosive eruption in 1815, which approximately killed 80,000 people. The gases released by this volcano blocked the sunlight for many years. Some small eruptions of this volcano were detected in 2011, 12, and 2013. So that's it for this video. Hope you liked it. Do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.